Day 10, I'm working on someone else's farm, so we have a farm of our own. Let's go! We are out at Earth and Egg in Mount Pleasant, and even though I lost one of my most favorite things, more on that later, we did 3 things I've never done before, and one of them, a little animal that made its way to the top of our future farm dream list. We started by letting out the chickens for the day. They were so excited to see us, and it was like they knew we were coming. I met my first guinea hag, and they were an odd little beauty, but surprisingly fierce. They are there to protect the entire flock. But the quail. Oh my goodness, the quail. They were so light and fluffy, and they laid eggs the size of a marble. Everett was already in love, but now I think I am too. We spent some time harvesting a loofah. I couldn't believe it. It was an actual loofah, and we can use them as sponges, and they come from this crazy looking plant. We shook the seeds out, and it sounded like a maraca. We ended up leaving with armfuls of farm gifts, beautiful quail eggs, and comfy new shirt. But unfortunately, when I changed into my new shirt, I knocked off my favorite earring. It was a small loss for a lot of gain, but I guess I know what Everett will be getting me for Christmas.